Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this Maytag French door right here. Model number is MFI2570. It is a fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, which is really nice. We can have all the greasy, smudgy hand fingerprints, and you can just wipe that off with water and a cloth. It also has this nice dispenser here. We've got all our features. Ice type can switch that from crushed to cubed. Turns the light on, which will light up the dispenser as well. Power cold is this feature, basically meaning that you can press this when you bring all your food back from your grocery trip. You know, depending on what your grocery trip's like. I know that myself, sometimes I like to shop around at three or more places to pick up produce and get the best deal that I can. So then sometimes when I get back, some of the food is warmed up or the frozen's not frozen anymore, so you can do power cold, throw your stuff in there and it'll get everything back to the right temperature for you, which is really cool. On the inside, obviously, we have our ice maker here. Comes in out here. We've got our water filter up here as well. All the shelving is adjustable, so whether you want these level or separate, all that stuff, make more space here. We got 36-inch wide, temperature controlled bins. One right here for whatever, I don't know, delis, cheeses, lettuce, and all this kind of stuff. Produce or fruit, depending on whichever one you feel like. Another cool feature is you can actually add, or at least they say that you can add a second ice maker down here as well. Put the basket there, and then the ice maker machine will go in there as well. Yeah, so it's going to be, you know, a pretty great standard 36-inch wide, 25 cubic foot French door. It's a Maytag, so it's American made, so that really well trusted. Actually says here, America's most trusted refrigerator brand. So I mean, you know, that's all you need to know really. So that's all I have for me. There's plenty more specs on our website, appliancefactory.com. Check that out, see what you think. We have a great price on this right now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at appliancefactory.com. Click the link to learn more.